Hi everyone, it's Anthea from Anthea Style. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, unpackaging video of some crochet hooks that I ordered. I've had these for a while. It's been a little bit of a episode to get them, and I won't get into the details right now, but come along with me and I'm going to show you what I got. And we're going to do this reveal from my back porch, okay? And I was just in my garden doing a walkthrough and I was going to water, but it looks like it's going to start to rain in about an hour or so based on our weather forecast for where I live here in Ontario. So I thought I'd pop on here and show you my unpackaging of some items that I got. Some more crochet hooks. Yes, I did. More crochet hooks. I'm trying to find crochet hooks that are ergonomically designed to help with my hands. If you haven't seen my previous video, I go into sharing at the beginning of this year just a little bit about using gloves, as well as I do a few posts about it on my Instagram account at Anthea Style. So you can follow me here, or you can follow me on Instagram, or both places, because sometimes my content does vary. I'm going to go ahead with this video and I'm going to turn the camera around and let you guys see exactly what I've got going on. First package that I got quite a while ago actually is this pink package, and it has come from very, very far away, and I've had quite the saga in getting these, but I ordered these off of Etsy from a small business, and it was an episode, but I was patient and I waited to get them, so that's what I'm going to show you. And then this I ordered off of Amazon, something for my business as well. So which one do I open first? I think I'm going to do the Amazon one. Okay, so this is the most recent one. Now, most recent in that I've had it sitting waiting for about the past 2 weeks, but it's something I'm very anxious to use in my business, looking forward to using. Oh, there it is. It's a smartphone magnetic neck holder. So for my crochet videos, I want to be able to, because what I've been doing is I've been using my stand and my phone on it, but I want to get up close and personal so you guys can actually see when I'm crocheting the stitches much better and closer. So I ordered this. So I've never used one before. One of the crochet ladies that I follow on Instagram and YouTube, her name is Tony, and she's from TL Yarn Crafts. And she has just been so inspirational to me in her crochet business and journey for someone like me who's fairly new to the industry. But she recommended this. Oh, look it. So there's I guess that's like a wristlet strap to hold it. And I've never opened this before, guys. This is brand new for me. So just bear with me. Oh, okay. So this is bendable, which is nice. So you'll be able to adjust it on my neck. And then this, go gentle here, that's the phone holder. Okay, I gotta figure this out, guys, because I don't want it to drop on me. Oh, wait a minute. I can't try it because my phone's on the stand. Anyway, that was a kind of a crazy moment, wasn't it? This goes over my head like that. And then I believe my phone would hook into the back. I should have had one of my other phones to try it. That was poor planning on my part, so I apologize for that. But that is one thing that I got. And so I'll be able to put my phone here and crochet, and you'll be able to see my stitches up close. I'm excited about that. And then it also has a strap, maybe if I want to elongate it down lower. I don't know. I'll have to read about that. And then it has another ring with an adhesive on the back and a clean cloth. So that was from Amazon. And then the last item is this beautiful pink package. So we'll open that up so you can see it. There it is. I have got 4 new crochet hooks to add to my collection. These are from a company called Daiz, D-A-I-Z Crochet. And my original order, which was back in the month of March, I ordered 4. So 4 of these. We were away in the East Coast, as some of you may have seen from my previous video, in the month of April. And en route, on our road trip, I got a notification on my phone saying that my order had come in. So I messaged my son and he confirmed think it was my son or daughter, asked them to make sure the package came in the house so that it was safe. When I got back from the East Coast and I opened my package because I was so excited to get it, there were 2, not 4. I thought, okay, maybe they've split the order. When I opened up the order, one of the hooks was the correct thing that I ordered, and the other hook was the correct color, but the wrong size. So I messaged the business owner privately. I didn't file a complaint or anything like that, and I still haven't. And I've had a lot of communication with him back and forth. Again, as the customer, the consumer, it was very frustrating on my end that was my first time experience, and the reason why I ordered from him was because of his wonderful reviews and from other crocheters that had done reveals of their hooks on YouTube. Anyway, long story short, all the back and forth, this went on for quite some time. Like I said, I've only had these maybe 3 weeks now that the order finally came, and here we are, we're in the month of June. So that was a long time to wait, but I really wanted them. And part of the reason as well with the shipping why it took a bit longer, they've come all the way from India. So in speaking with him, he was gracious and patient back with me, and told me that my order would be coming. Another thing that happened was after I ordered and I went back to check on his site on Etsy, it said he was on vacation. Then I was like, okay, I hope this isn't not legit, that it's not a scam. Anyhow, he spoke to his shipper in the States and confirmed with them that they were reshipping it, and to this date he hasn't charged me any extra because I ordered 4 and I actually have a total of 6 now. So anyhow, enough about the saga about my crochet hooks. Let's open these out. I wish, oh, there is. Okay, so here, guys, the sizes are on the outside. Oh, you guys, so I've just opened this again. I didn't get the right thing. You guys, I didn't get the right hooks. I don't have the right size. This is most frustrating. This is a real video. This is real. So I have, oh my goodness, 2 size 9 millimeters. I only ordered 1. A 4.5, which I did not order, and a 7 millimeter. I ordered originally a size 10, size 9, size 8, and size 7. So what I should have done is should have pulled out my other hooks just to compare, just to see, because I hope I haven't ended up with 3 size 9s. Wow. Anyway, let's open them, guys. So it comes in this pink tube. Okay, so this is a size 10 in this kind of opal-like hook, which I already got in the first order, which wasn't the full correct order. So I have 2 of these now in a 10. And next I have, okay, so this is the reason why I went on and ordered. My favorite colors are black and white, and look at that hook. Isn't that pretty? So that is a size 9. So there's a 9. And the next one is, okay, so this is why you got to check carefully. There's the 8. The tube says a 7, but the hook is a 8. So I have a 9 and I have an 8. And then my last one, which says 4.5 on the outside of that case, is a 7. Okay, so I think he's redeemed himself. The cases don't match what's in the hook necessarily, but I ended up getting my size 7, my size 8, and my 9. But I think that the one that I got before that I ordered was supposed to be a size 10, and they sent me a 9, which wasn't correct. But anyway, those are the main sizes that I use, but they are pretty hooks. And I did try the other one to crochet with it, and it was lovely. They feel like they're wood, but they also feel like they're like a resin plastic, but they're very smooth. They're not rough. and then the heads on those and the depth of that shaft there, or the head, is very nice and smooth as well. So those are the 3 hooks I got in that coloring. And then I got this opal pearlescent one. And these again are from Etsy, from a business called Daiz or Daiz Crochet, D-A-I-Z Crochet. So that is my unboxing for you today. I'll have to check, and hopefully my other hook, I still think it was a size 9, guys. It wasn't the 10 that I originally ordered, when I think about my communication back and forth with the gentleman from India. But very, very nice, and they were around $18 a piece, which I thought was affordable and reasonable for what they are. So stay tuned to see upcoming videos where I'm using those to crochet, and you can see how those are working for me. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye for now.